Welcome to today's news.
North Eastern Railway Apprentice Recruitment 2025. Apply for 1104 posts at Railways website https://ner.indianrailways.gov.in. Railway Recruitment Cell North Eastern Railway has invited applications for the post of apprentice. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website of RRC at https://ner.indianrailways.gov.in. This recruitment is for filling the vacancies of 1104 posts in North Eastern Railway. The registration process started on January 24 and will end on February 23, 2025. Vacancy details: Mechanical Workshop or Gorakhpur 411 numbers, Signal Workshop or Gorakhpur Canteen 63 numbers, Bridge Workshop or Gorakhpur Kanch 35 numbers, Mechanical Workshop or Isatnagar 151 numbers, Diesel Shed or Isatnagar 60 numbers, Carriage and Wagon Isatnagar 64 numbers, Carriage Wagon Lucknow Junction 155 numbers, Diesel Shed Gonda 90 numbers, Carriage and Wagon Varanasi 75 numbers. Eligibility criteria: the candidates should have passed the prescribed qualification of high school or 10th with minimum 50% marks and ITI in notified trade on the date of issue of notification, that is 24 January 2025. The age limit should be between 15 to 24 years as on January 24, 2025. Selection process: the selection process will comprise of merit list which would be prepared taking the average of percentage of marks obtained by the candidates in both matriculation with minimum 50% aggregate marks and ITA examination giving equal weightage to both. Candidates may opt for more than one unit per place. The candidates' training will be arranged according to the standards and syllabus prescribed by the Central Apprenticeship Council, subject to registration with RDAT Kanpur. The selected candidates will be paid stipend during apprenticeship at the prescribed rates as per extant rules or instructions. Application fee: the application fee is 100 for all category candidates. SC, ST, Divyang, PWBD, women's candidates are exempted from payment of processing fee. The payment of fee should be done through online mode only. For more related details, candidates can visit the official website of RRB, RRC, NER.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.